wizard.
Alright, good afternoon, good morning everyone. I hope you're all doing good. Hope you're all having a great Tuesday so far. God bless you all, and all praise be to Jesus Christ. Looks like we did reject off the week 2 VWAP, and we didn't catch a bounce last night on the video. The VWAP was getting a good curve to the upside, and I thought we might be able to put in some bear divs. But yeah, as you can see, she just kept coming down. We also said that was a possibility if we don't see the bounce off the VWAPs here. Okay, came right up to that Trump VWAP, to that spider line, and rejected right off of it. Okay, and then she wasn't able to hold the week 2, and now your New Year VWAP is acting as resistance, and it looks like we have more downside. At least see where this intraday is. Yeah, well below the intraday. What is this? 15 minute. We've been trading. We've been in a little range of VWAPs here. We have the New Year VWAP and this 85K low VWAP I placed, and we've just been catching this range. But it looks like we're gonna lose. More than likely, gonna lose this 85K low VWAP here soon. This 1 hour, like I said, conflicting signals, probably a lot of volatility. I don't know if y'all heard that, but dogs are in there doing something. A lot of volatility. Like I said, the 2 hour probably just now she's printing a red dot. Okay, so ignore the green dot. Ignore the green dot. We're getting the red dot. She's starting to line up with the 1 hour now. Money flow is coming out. Good curve to the downside on your VWAP. If you don't hold the 85K low VWAP here, then you can expect to come down to this previous day right here, right above this spider line in this golden pocket. You very well could see a bounce here. Money flow has been getting higher, but it could just keep draining out. Let's look at the 4 hour. We got 2 hours till she confirms. Yeah, a lot of volatility right now. But yeah, I'm guessing we'll come down to this 85K VWAP here soon. We'll probably lose it. Probably gonna lose it and at least hit this previous day VWAP around 97.5, I believe. Yeah, we'll call it 97.5. But chances are the price will probably come lower. I'm actually eyeing this quarter 3 VWAP that's running with this spider line right here at what, 90K? 92K is a pretty strong support level as well. So I'm actually eyeing levels down here, some lower levels. Go ahead and candlestick some of these wicks. And like I said, on the daily, VWAP is coming up, but money flow, she's coming out, and we're not making higher highs right now. Right now we're making lower lows. Now we haven't made absolute lower lows, but it looks like the structure of the market could be changing right here. Okay, we could be on our way to put in a lower high and lower lows. If I had to guess, with all the bearish looking time frames, you got the 4-day red dot, the 5-day already confirmed, or no, 5 hours. We got 5 hours, and I think that's leading up with the 7-day. Yeah, both 5 hours. We got red dots on a 5-day and a 7-day, and we know the weekly has already been rejected off that zero line. The market cipher B VWAP has already been rejected off the zero line, and that's why I'm eyeing this quarter 3 VWAP for if some kind of bounce, right, on these higher time frames. But then you also have to pay attention to the 3-week, and all these, everything's on bear divs. Okay, everything's on bear divs. Just something to take account. The 2-day is still high, VWAP's curving up, money flow is coming out, but you've also been making bear divs on the money flow with this 2-day as well. Something to take account into as well is the bear divs on the money flow as well as the momentum. The money flow is coming out. So some levels we're watching for a bounce would be this 85K. We need VWAP and money flow coming up on this 1 hour to perhaps confirm a bounce. Maybe we can even come down to this previous day here, because I feel like we're gonna lose the 85K low. I could be wrong. We could very well bounce off of it and come back up to your new year, maybe your week 2, before going down more. But yeah, we're probably about to come down and hit this soon, probably before I get the video out, because that VWAP's well under the 0 line. This wave isn't really pinching. And yeah, she very well could come lower. The price could come lower as momentum gets higher to either bounce. Yeah, probably I wouldn't be looking for the bounce here, maybe a small one, but overall I'm guessing we're going to come down to this previous day VWAP, maybe around this golden pocket and spider line. And maybe we could see some bull divs on this 15 minute. The money flow is coming in, but she can come out just as fast. And it does look like she's curving down on market cipher. Looks like she could zip right up. What do we got? 8 minutes. She could zip right up, but it kind of looks like there's a downwards curve to her. Red dot on the 1 hour. So if we do get a bounce here, I would look for rejection at your intraday VWAP. Let's see where that is. At about 100K. We'll call it 100K. If we do see a bounce, if we start seeing price coming back up, then I would expect 100K to be resistance. But overall, I'm eyeing the quarter 3 VWAP. Maybe by the end of the week. We're about to get, today we will print the 4-day, not the 4-day, excuse me, the 5-day red dot on bear divs. Money flow, bear divs. 7-day red dot, bear divs. Money flow, bear divs. Okay, RSI is shooting down, and that's in 5 hours. So if we lose the VWAPs we're holding right here, if we lose this previous day VWAP, I would very well imagine we can leapfrog right down to this 90K. We'll just call it 90K, 89.5 quarter 3 VWAP, and that would be more than likely where you get a bounce. If not, we do have other quarterly VWAPs down here. Okay, and we lose this 87K. I've talked about it many a times with the low volume. Because you lose about right here, about 87K, you're going to fall into this low volume profile of uncharted territory, because 69K was our last all-time high, and this is well above. This is in 75K range. All this, there's no trading. This was everything that got traded on the way up. Okay, so there's nothing that's going to hold you down or hold you up as you come down. This is all the volume is right here in these few days. Okay, so if we do come down to this quarter 3 VWAP at 90K and we start to lose it, you can expect to hit this, I want to say quarter 4, maybe quarter 2, excuse me, the quarter 2 VWAP at 80K, maybe even 75K right here at the quarter 1 VWAP. So I mean, you could leapfrog pretty quick down to these levels. Like I said, there's no volume to hold you. This is all the volume that's there are these candles right here, and they went up so quickly because there was no volume, there was no previous volume anywhere, so it was able to go up quickly. There was no resistance here. Okay, so now there's going to be no support here, because it's not like we came and we traded and we built up and then we came and no, we just shot up. We just shot way up. So we lose these levels, we're going to shoot way down. And that's what I'm expecting. We'll see how it holds at the quarter 3 VWAP, because I just feel like with all the bearish indicators, I could be invalidated in the next hour. Okay, that's something we have to keep an eye on and be accounting for, is everything could get invalidated in the snap of a finger. And so we need to be adaptable and adjustable. But overall feeling for me is we're going to come down and hit this quarter 3 VWAP. And if we'll probably see a bounce, but I don't think she's going to hold. I think we're going to leapfrog. I mean, she could not even bounce, guys. She could not even bounce. She could go right through it and leapfrog right down to the quarter 2 VWAP. And like I said, there's no volume. It would make sense that that's exactly what would happen. So we'll watch the quarter 3 VWAP. They're right there with the spider line. Okay, so good support right here at 90K. But we're gonna watch it and we'll see. I'll be back later tonight, 8:30 p.m. Central. Get a little data on that VWAP reset, and I will bring you an update video. But that will do it for me. I hope you guys have a great day. I'm out.